Okay, we're in a Tesla Model S Plaid. Then we're gonna do some test drives.
Wow.
1,000 horsepower. So I've been in the what's the one before? The one that came before Plaid?
Was it the P100D?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I test drove one of those.
Okay.
And how many horsepower was that? Do you know?
You know what? I don't recall.
I think it was like
800?
800 something
Yeah.
like that. So I've never been in a 1,000 horsepower electric car, all-wheel drive. 0-60 is like what?
1.99.
1.99.
In perfect conditions.
Yeah. So this Jordan Hawk's car is a daily driver. Yeah, you never know, what's it? Wow, screen is huge.
Yeah.
How big is that? It's like
Yeah, what the specs are.
18, 17, 18
I
inches?
think 18.
18? Night Rider steering wheel.
Yeah.
Oh, very feeling.
The only thing it's missing is the noise.
Yes, I heard they're gonna make some sound like replication, like you can put in some engine sounds.
That's not the same.
Yeah, but still.
I knew what I was getting into. Alright, now we go to Plaid mode.
Also, it takes time.
No, you can just change, because each mode has a designated horsepower.
Oh, okay.
So I believe this one's like 500 and then 800, 1,000.
Okay. Oh. That's glass, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep, all transparent.
So you have a charger in your garage?
No, I just use the supercharger.
Where?
Like the supercharger stations.
Oh.
Because I have 3 years free.
Oh, 3 years free.
Yeah, unlimited.
Wow. So that was the part of the deal?
Yeah.
So let's say you don't have it, then how much does it cost to charge full?
You know what? I'm not sure. I've heard in the past like 20 or 30 bucks.
Oh. That's not bad.
Yeah.
And how long does it last?
It claims, for my car, it claims 348 miles.
Oh.
But in all reality, if you're driving at highway speeds, you'll get 280-ish.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! I almost dropped it.
Isn't that crazy?
But I want to feel from the start, like when you get off. Can you do it again a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me hold it. Let me hold the phone because I lost the phone. Whoa! Whoa! Jeez!
Yeah.
It's like out of this world. Man, I had to hold the phone like firm. You know what happened? The phone just hit my face.
Really?
Yeah, it flew and hit my face.
I'll ease into it more
Jeez.
instead of snapping your neck. Alright.
Okay. Ah! It is. It is quick. There's no way any gasoline car can come even close. Incredible. No, it's just Jeez. And I don't know how there's no spin. You know?
Because it weighs so much, and it's all-wheel drive.
Oh! And I'm not making this sound on purpose. My body is just doing it. You know. So if you can drop me off at Chevy, yeah, because of the Camaro. Yeah. Anyways, well, thank you very much for the ride. Woo! Alrighty, now back to my Camaro LT1, which is a super slow compared to
Give
this
it a
car.
race?
Huh? No way. Give you like thousands of years, light years ahead. Okay, well, thank you.